Hi everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So this is only a quick house update. So the slab already been poured on the 15th of July. So this is a very ancient vlog for me. And also the frame has already been put together after 2 weeks of the slab being poured. So as you can see, the timber frame is already been put together, which is really good. The house is really getting into shape by the looks of it. And then we went again to have a visit, and the roof trusses already been put together too. So it's really doing good. We're going inside. Oh! And when you turn right, this will be our bedroom. And this will be the toilet. And that's Mr. Masungit. Lucas! Hello everybody! And this will be the theater. It's so big. And then that's the garage. And this will be our laundry. That's the dining here on this area. And here will be the lounge area. So that's our kitchen there, the front. And when you come closer here, this will be the walk-in pantry. That area. And over here, this is the other bedroom number 2. And then that's Lucas walking. This is just like a small nook area. That's the bedroom number 3. We can see the writings on the slab. That's the toilet. This is bedroom number 4. And look, there's a window. Lucas very noisy. And this is the bathroom. Bathtub. Bath. So that's, this will be the alfresco area. So they already put the roofing there. So this is our, basically, this will be our small garden area where Lucas can run around. Still a bit space. We can still plant some veggies. And over here, that's the going to the garage area. And that's the back of the laundry where we can hang our clothing. There you go. After some few days or weeks, the roof tiles already been installed. So our site supervisor is really doing great in terms of the timing of our build. You can see the ducted heating is also being installed. So this is an empty timber house tour with roof tiles and all of those insulation. I don't know what they call that, but and look, the windows also been installed. So it's really getting too excited, but of course there will be lots of delays. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.